Nope. Mail made it right. You 100 times. I got pain in my heart. I told you 100 times. I got pain in my heart. I told you 100 times. Money, money on my mind.
I got gang scriptures in my tattoos. I was running from the police in my trap shoes. Posted trying to flip 100, I come back for. Come from nothing, but I blossomed to attack.
This is what I was thinking was gonna happen. Come down to here.
We might not catch him today, but he gon' die soon. I'm from Chicago, she said she
What?
my accent. I'm from Chicago, with blocks what we react with.
Very cool.
Make them tumble when that max bit. Bitch, I'm a gangster, I just took off on some rap shit.
I got pain in my heart. I told you 100 times. Money, money, money on my mind. Hate the other side. Hate the other side. Money on my mind. Pain in my heart, I told you 100 times. Money, 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 money on my mind. Never too nice. See if we get a squeeze down low. If not, open's gonna push up, pull this liquidity, and then bridge your head for the downside today. Taking a look at the overall charts here. Oh my, this is really chopped. Like, I think my computer can't handle all of this shit being open at once, is what it is, honestly. It's a brand new Mac, which is, go figure. Yeah, like, I mean, looking at the daily, dude, it looks really, really bearish, you know? We're just continuously making lower lows. We're making lower lows here. Previous day's highs are lower, 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 lower. This with the little push-ups, this could be an area of supply that we created, and then we push back down. I'm pretty bearish on today's bias. The fuck? This is really... My computer is not happy with me right now. Bye. Bye. Okay. Okay. Can you take that stuff down with you, like those boxes? You literally go downstairs past the dumpster. I physically can't, but alright. I can't take all those boxes on my lap, but alright. Just take one or two or something. I'm trying to figure this all out for myself. I don't need you or nobody else. I'm done. So done. So the NQ is just fucking drippity dropping in. Market's open, like I said, it's either gonna pull up to grab this or we're gonna dip down. It looks like it's just gonna be the dip down. It's a nice, easy trade. I called this out, laid this out. I'm going to close this right here as we've reached this area of support. Yeah, you I'm so done. I'm done with all the games you play. Holy shit, guys. Holy fuck. Wow. Wow. Jesus. Remind me of you. Holy shit. Got my finger on the trigger and I'm doing it on the side. Hello? Yeah, it's trash, babe. It's been trash. It was supposed to be taken out a long time ago. That was sitting in. Yeah, that was sitting on my desk or on my table a long time ago, and then you never took it out. You just put it in the closet, like a while back. Thank you, babe. So I ducked out like here. Really only gave up like 2 or 3 points, not much on the ES. On the NQ, however, this was, I mean, you just did like fucking 100 points. Like 75 to, yeah, 75 fucking points. It's fucking stupid. Matt, you there? I can't hear you.
Yeah, I had the wrong headphones on. That's why.
Dude, look at this shit. I'm so pissed I got out of it. I should have just held that thing till tomorrow. Look at this. Did news, like, is the world ending? Like, what news just came out?
I don't know, it was really weird. I was expecting it. I mean, I was in a trade earlier. I got it went to like 1,500 on the pre-market short. I should have held it too. I closed it at, I think, 12.
Jesus Christ. This is a bloodbath. Like, call your parents, check on them. Call your loved ones. Make sure everyone's alright.
Right. Yeah, I closed also. I did like a one contract short because I thought it was going to drop, but I wasn't really sure. So I closed it. I'm just gonna. It's gonna reverse some here in just a minute. I'm just relying on that. This thing's stupid.
I drew where it's gonna go a long time ago. It's gonna go there.
Let me see if you got exactly where I said it. It was gonna go.
This is fucking crazy.
did the dude? Everything I drew on my phone, nothing stayed.
Jesus. Ah! It's fucking funny. There are kids over here trading crypto.
Who's trading crypto?
I'm saying it's funny. Like, there's kids over here trading crypto, and I'm like, why? Like,
What? They're at school, baby. Yes. They'll be at school. You don't think they're at school? Sorry.
I'm pissed that I got rid. Like, I made money, so I'm not mad. But I definitely could have held this longer.
How many contracts did you go in on?
Just 2.
Oh, so you did 1,000 at least. I think I closed it out at like 600 for one contract, and I got in like halfway down the big candle. Unless you traded the second candle.
Target reached. Target reached. A little bitch of diva.
I made it all the way to the convenience store. I was gonna buy a candy bar, but Leah says that I have to go with the donuts. So, where does it get me to the convenience store? There's a freight train coming, everybody. Gateway.
I have no idea how this works. I'm live on TikTok right now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I don't really know what to do. Are you on the live stream?
On YouTube, yeah.
Nice. I don't know how this works. Well, no, I'm on the live stream on TikTok. Huh. I have literally no idea how this works. Huh. Is there a way to talk? Because I'm trying to... Let's see here. Okay. No, that doesn't really work. Learning and doing at the same time. Can I like zoom out of this thing? And is there... How do I see people's comments and like talk to them? Okay. Well, as you can see, the market has taken a dump. Yeah. This doesn't work like this. I need to do something else. Maybe. This is not conducive. If anybody knows like how to do this, you could type. It'd be great. Cause I'm trying to learn. This shit's fucking hard. here. Yes, and I can like. How do you spin the camera around though? Can you? I am trying to learn how to do this shit. Where do I type? Oh, flip camera. Okay. So I can do that. Huh.
I just sent him a tweet and I just hashtagged.
I just don't know how to do this particularly. Like, I don't know how to actually comment. So I mean, like, I see people. Is there a way to put this in landscape mode? Like, fuck.
Listening to Stevie Ray Vaughan and going through this.
I don't know why I don't know how to comment.
Comment on TikTok or on YouTube?
On TikTok.
No, I don't know about TikTok.
I mean, I guess I can't comment. I guess I just talk. And I guess I don't have to comment. I could just speak. But yeah, this is pretty dumpy. I mean, there's no real reason to think it's not going to continue to just fall down. Change this music up. Ow. Some techno going this morning. No. I think I need to practice the TikTok thing a little bit more before I do it, because I'm not getting a good like angle, and I'm just moving around too much. There's not a lot of room on my desk, honestly. So I'm gonna have to figure that out a little bit better before I just keep doing that and making it shitty.
I'm in a reversal here.
Sentience of internal, external, virtual existence. Sentience of internal, external, or virtual existence.
Matt, do you see the cat? Matt. Do you see my cat being just like chilling in my arms? Do you see this?
Yeah.
He's being good for once. Good go, Bubba. And
Yeah,
more,
your cat's being good.
more dump, more dump.
Mm. Maybe.
Over your chin, boy. You got little jumps all over your chin, Bubs. Yep, more dumps. This is wild, dude. This is scary. Kilo just loves watching the market fall. That's why he's so calm right now. He's like, this is my kind of morning. A bloodbath. Mwah. Mwah. Ain't that right, little buddy? Yes. No coffee, Kilo, no coffee. Bro, look at this shit, dude. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. It's like concerning what's happening in the world right now. Big as the what? Big as the what? Big as the Super Bowl. Big as the Super Bowl.
Niggas so thirsty to put me in beef. Dissecting my words and start looking too deep. I look at the tweets and start sucking my teeth. I'm letting it rock cause I let it sleep. I still wanna give me a soul if I leave. Can't trust anything that you're showing.
No. Hello?
Yeah. You can hear?
Who's that? Yeah, I can hear you.
Hey, Ryan.
Oh, what's up?
What's up?
Where you been, dude?
Dude, if I tell you, I went through Armageddon for 2 months.
Hey, that shit happens, man.
Yeah, like what it called again? So my chick, she had to move out to a different city, so I helped her move, and then I was.
Oye, Ryan, ¿tú quieres hablar español?
Huh?
¿Tú hablas español?
Yeah, I speak 4 languages.
¿Y cuál quieres tú primero?
Yo hablo portugués. Yo soy de Brasil.
Oh, sí, mi madre es cubana.
Ah, qué cool.
Sí, sí,
mira
so,
eso.
que tú quieras hablar español conmigo es más fácil contigo. Yo puedo entender todo. Yo puedo hablar mucho y no es perfecto, pero tú puedes entender que yo está hablando así.
Sí, claro.
Claro, cualquier tú quieras hablar inglés o español es lo mismo conmigo.
Ah, bueno. Y eso va a ser bueno también para las personas que vayan a entrar aquí, ¿sabes? Después en el futuro, ¿sabes? Cuando
Sí,
tenemos
sí, porque yo puedo ayudar a dos personas, dos tipos de personas. Habla español e
Ajá,
inglés,
sí.
yo puedo ayudar a todos. So, sí, es verdad.
Claro. Qué cool, yo no sabía, man. That's
Sí,
crazy,
porque
bro.
mírame, piensa que yo es gringo, mira.
Ah, sí, exacto.
Yeah, my mom's family, they're all from Spain originally and then Cuba, so they're like very fair skinned.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, you got the real Spanish going on, I don't.
Yeah.
I'm streaming on YouTube. It's not on here, but it's on YouTube. If you want to watch what I'm doing, I'm just doing it on YouTube, and then I'm doing all the talking in here. So like, for people that paid to be in the group, this is where I'm going to teach, and then YouTube people will just be able to see it, you know, because.
Yeah, no, definitely.
But dude, the market this morning took a fucking holy shit.
I know, bro. That SP 500 and even like other markets on Forex too took a big hit.
Everything. I still haven't even looked. I want to know why. Yeah.
Yeah, I learned, like someone taught me there's this specific website that shows everything that's happening in the whole
Forex Factory. I use Forex Factory. Let me lower this music. There's a website called Forex Factory. Like I'm looking at it right now, and it's why did I have so many damn pages open now. I can never find anything. Sorry. Damn, dude, where did it just go? There it is. Yeah, Forex Factory. So today there was literally no news. Like there literally was no news for this.
Really?
Yeah, like there was news in Europe at 4 a.m. Then at 9 a.m. when like before the market opened, there was news about the leading index, but it wasn't anything crazy. And that was not even for America. And there's literally the only news that came out today was at 10 a.m. which just happened.
Oh.
And that was that's really weird.
Yeah.
Well, there's actually. Today, at the end of the market at 435, Powell speaks, but I don't think people would. I don't think that would have caused what just happened now. That would be something that happens later, you know. So I don't know.
Maybe something got blown up there in Iraq or not Iraq.
Yeah, in
Middle
Israel
East,
or in the middle. Yeah. Honestly, dude, I have no idea. I don't have the news on, but I mean, you could totally be right. Like, could be some crazy shit.
Yeah.
They discovered aliens are real.
Yeah.
Kinlaw said the USD.
They knew for a long time ago, you know.
Oh yeah.
They just don't want to disclose things. I don't get it.
Because it'll freak people out, man. You can't. It's like you people can't take information like as well as we like to think we can. Like, I mean, just think about even yourself. Like, I'm not to make anything personal. Like, bro, like if your girlfriend or someone gives you crazy news, you react. Like, people react to news very dramatically. So with something like that, they don't want to tell people. It's just like shit, man.
Yeah, no, I get you.
Also, now it's also an issue of an arms race, because, you know, whoever says that they found alien shit first, it's immediately going to be like, all right, well, they must have technology. So it's like it's kind of an arms race. I think people are scared to say.
Oh yeah, you saw they're offering $1 million.
For what? I didn't see this.
The government's offering $1 million for everyone that, if they're able to catch the alien on complete footage and all, and give good leads.
I'm hurting. That hurts. That fucking hurt. That literally hurts to think about.
Yeah.
Jesus.
It's wild. But I think they know everything exactly. I think they're just playing a game, you know. They're trying to, I don't know, to get the people.
Well,
to
the thing that's crazy is like holy shit, my cat. The thing that's crazy is if aliens are real, right? If the government, like, if we accept that aliens are real, then it kind of means we have to accept that God is not real. So it's like a huge, like.
No, it's not even that, bro. Because like for example, I believe in God and stuff, you know, and I believe that alien exists. But this is a different thing, though. As you see alien in body form and shape, it has the same type of mix of DNA like a human. So even if you go back to the Bible, all the way in the beginning, when the flood happened that destroyed the whole earth, prior to that, it was actually when the angels got kicked out of heaven and they came down to earth.
Mm-hmm.
They actually made it. They actually had intercourse with humans and then created this mixed Nephilim mixed type of human and demon at the same time, but with a higher knowledge of the world, you know.
You need to look up, dude. You need to look up, bro. Do you know what Göbekli Tepe is?
Nah.
So Göbekli Tepe was found recently over in like the area of like Palestine. It's in the area where it was believed that the Garden of Eden would have been if it was, you know, if it was real, if it is real, that's where it would have been. Well, they found this place called Göbekli Tepe. They just recently found it, like in recent history, and it is the oldest place that they've been able to carbon date on the face of this earth. So like,
oh, wow.
They're basically, and they found what they found in Göbekli Tepe were actually like stone made like operating tables. Like they literally had like Göbekli Tepe is the oldest place in the world due to based on carbon dating, and what happens to be there is what looks like a laboratory.
Really?
Yeah, and the first place where they found out about, so there's something in our body called chromosome 2, and it's the only chromosome in our body that doesn't come from anything that we know of. It's unexplainable. And like the first instances in which they like started learning about chromosome 2 was at Göbekli Tepe. So like what is thought is that the Anunnaki, or the aliens, or whatever, the Anunnaki, if you've heard of them before, they came to Earth, they set up a testing ground, and they tested apes against their own GNA, and they created humans at Göbekli Tepe, which is AKA the Garden of Eden for religious folk.
There's another thing too that that they actually proven. They have actually shown a few pictures too. In the heart, you know that flat Earth map.
Yeah.
So there's the sides of Antarctica. There's an openage to go to see more land.
Yeah.
So if you actually go see in the heart of Antarctica in the middle, they dug in completely, like, what, 29,000 foot down,
Yeah.
and they actually found a second barrier of grass and rocks underneath that completely.
Yeah, no,
And
Antarctica
that's
is
what
one
they're
of
saying
the
that
Antarctica is one of the most top secret places in the world.
yeah. And guess what? It's owned by
Antarctica
the
is
Rothschilds too. You know that?
what?
It's actually owned by the Rothschild.
I don't know if it is anymore, but there's some really weird shit about Antarctica that, like, I know from people that are in the military that are like, a buddy of mine, he actually did like ops in Antarctica, and he's straight up like, he's told me about shit that he's done, because he's done like a lot of private security, private sector stuff that's like very top secret. Like a lot of his pictures on Facebook and Instagram, like, they're all just black squares over him and his buddies' faces and shit. Like, he's like that kind of guy. But he straight up told me, he's like, he had to do something down in Antarctica where he was stationed down there for like a while, just transporting people back and forth. And he's like, it is more top secret. He's like, it's more top secret than anywhere in the world that he knows that that America has. Like any American, like, it's more top secret than any American facility in the world. That's kind of crazy to think about.
How can you get all the nations in the whole world to sign off for no one to go there? Come on, that's some crazy shit.
Yeah.
And that's what happened. They made a huge treaty of for no one to explore there. And remember that explorer Richard something back in 1928, no 1920, like back in 1920s, 1930. He said he explored Antarctica, and he said that there are way beyond lands below Antarctica that closes off the wall. He actually spoke about the flat Earth map and said that there are openage part, and there's so much land, and he even got in contact with different type of creatures in there too. And it's all documented online. You can even see what do you call it? You can even see a report of him speaking with the news and telling this live TV. You know?
Yeah, it's
and he was a Navy explorer. He's the one who got sent by the U.S. there and everything, and that's what he was discussing. But then they just got quiet off, you know. And even another crazy shit too that happened, that it was in a newspaper in 1905, 1910 about California. Did you know that underneath California there was different civilizations? They found homes made out of pods, and they claimed that was lizard men looking humans underneath. It was in a newspaper of California.
They did say that they think that's fake. That got debunked, I'm pretty sure. I heard about what, I know what you're talking. I don't know for sure, but I think that got debunked. I don't know for a fact. But I mean, there's a lot of weird. I mean, there's like the two like most unknown places is like the ocean and Antarctica. It's crazy.
Yeah.
I'm trying to look up. There's like Operation High Jump, which was in Antarctica, and then there's like a couple other crazy. There's a couple other crazy things that just can't remember.
Yeah, no, I see. A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff hidden,
Hey,
man.
Hey, Dan, what's the currency song?
What?
How's your week?
Hold on. What'd you say? What'd you say, Matt?
What's the U.S. currency sign?
What do you mean
Like the
USD?
symbol, so I can look it up.
USD?
That's what I'm doing, but I can't find it.
Well, it's just
Never mind.
just
I got it.
because you have to look it up against something.
I got it. Yeah, I got it.
What are you trying to look up though? Like what are you trying to?
I'm just looking and seeing what it's doing.
Are you trying to look up the dollar index? Is that what you mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, the dollar index. That's DYX.
Thank
Right
you.
here. Wait, where the fuck? Why is? Yeah, DXY. Sorry. Ryan, are you trading?
Yeah, I'm looking at my phone. I'm trying to see which one to get because I'm currently on SXP 500.
S&P 500.
Yeah, and I'm on sale right now. I sold at 40. I sold at 4208. Because the pressure of this selling, it's big. You feel me?
Wait,
And-
4208. How? Wait, that's not. It hasn't gotten that low yet.
Yeah, it did. Look.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
No. Oh, are you looking on the NQ or the?
The SP 500.R.
Wait, that's something different than what I'm trading. Then I don't know what that is.
Yeah, US 500 cash.
Let me see. Turn your chart really quick. I mean, it looks very similar, but yeah, that's not the same thing. I trade the okay, yeah, we trade the I know what you're trading, but yeah, I would if I were you, I would switch over to the ES and the NQ. Honestly, there's more volume there, but I mean, it's not like a huge difference. It is a different chart though. It's not the same chart.
I'm on the 1 hour too.
Oh, okay, well, that's also gonna be different.
Yeah, that's why. What chart do you have it on here or on your screen or
can
no?
you see? Yeah. Oh, you got to go to the YouTube here. 1 second. Let me. I'll just share here really quick. I'm trying to only stream to one place because then it makes it lag more. But then here is where I'm actually talking to people. But
Alright.
so if you look, see, this is what you want to be trading: the ESZ.
Press watch stream. Okay, cool. Now.
There's more volume on this chart. The ESZ 2023.
Okay, I got you. So that's the dollar index. Fine.
Yeah, this is the dollar index on top, and the Nasdaq on bottom.
Let me see. Indices. That's the dollar index futures.
On the top. On the top, it's the DXY. I don't trade that. I just use it to look. I look at it to compare it to stuff. This ran so much.
Oh, that's the 100 future, right?
This is the Nasdaq, the NQZ. So yeah, the US 100. Depending what broker you're using, they call it the US 100. Yeah.
Yeah, that's moving the same thing. Are you moving right now 532?
No, 14622.
Hmm.
Right here.
You're in the 5 minutes, right?
Yes.
Alright, let me go on 5 minutes. Let's see if they're moving alike. Yeah, they're moving alike, but it looks like it's about to drop. Yeah, you see it drop down even more.
They're gonna move very similar. The difference is
Yeah.
there's more volume on this chart.
Okay.
Like there's more people trade. There's more actual volume going into this into this asset.
Yeah. Okay, I'm in.
It's really annoying me that this thing is like doing this. Matt, are you there? There we go. Oof. She falling. More. Jesus. Whatever. Yeah.
Are you in on anything yet or no?
Not at the moment. I'm kind of waiting for this move to happen now. Like, either push back up and then a move down. That's really what I'm kind of waiting for here. So, like,
Yeah.
kind of here. Like, with where we are right now, I want to see this structure really break. God, dude, my computer's like lagging because I have so many things streaming. Do me a favor. I'm gonna turn the video off on this. Just jump into YouTube and watch it. I'm just streaming to one place. I'll still stay in here because this is where I'll talk and shit.
Yeah.
Do you know where the YouTube is by chance? I can.
I'm going on YouTube.
Just type in YouTube and type in like Dior Group. It should. There's probably no one watching it, but it's just at least this way you can see my screen.
Mhm.
And then I'm gonna turn my camera off here because my camera's on the Discord or on the YouTube. This could be a good play setup right now. We've got.
What is your name? What is your name on YouTube?
DYOR Lounge. Dior Lounge.
All right.
We have a lot of liquidity down low. Very much looks like we would be breaking down now. Dude, my computer's, this is too, I can't do this. Holy shit. What is going on?
Yeah, I don't. Is there a link here that I can just press?
I think there's one in WhatsApp. I think Matt posted it into the WhatsApp.
Okay.
But one second, I'll look too. Just sorry, I'm just trying to like close things on my computer to make it run a little faster. Oh, he just posted it. He just posted it in the WhatsApp.
All right.
Bro, this is so choppy still. Why?
Awesome. Good.
Trying to see, like, there's nothing that I have open, nothing else. It's just, I don't know what the fuck.
Oh, look at that. So it's reversing now. Or trying to buy, just get liquidity and come back down.
That's what it's doing.
Yeah.
Fuck. I don't really like Doja Cat, but the sample in this song is so fucking good.
Mm.
Yeah, bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put her foot to the pedal.
So look, here we came up here, got liquidity. So like we didn't get liquidity, we dumped liquidity here, okay? That's what you have to understand. We didn't grab liquidity, we exchanged liquidity. Buyers at closed, they used these guys as stop losses for exit liquidity. So then the market pushed back down. More buyers have, like there's still buyers that are still getting absorbed and picked up by the market. So this is an area where we'll see either the push up and through or the fail and down. Because we didn't exit the market in this drive here, I'm thinking we're gonna have like one more. Actually, yeah, no, actually, it's really just very much a deciding point. It's either will be this push up or down right now. But this could very much be the liquidity, the exchange, the switch, the buyers exiting, taking out their stop losses. Shorts would be going out. Push would come back up. Buyers would exit, and then the remaining shorts would come back in. So I would expect to see a push up to there.
I'm looking at
and up to there. So like, if you look at the way that liquidity should flow, we should see it do this.
I paused YouTube a little bit because that's kind of screwing up a little bit. It's like
What's happening?
late. I paused YouTube for now a little bit because it's taking like it's saying everything late.
How long, like how delayed is it? It will be delayed, of course, but how delayed?
Yeah, like a good 45 seconds.
Okay, huh. Let me turn the music off my computer, see if that increases this. I can.
Yeah, because it literally, right now I'm watching the 1 hour candle and it literally declining everything right now. So, and now it's on the upward.
Yeah, no, it just pumped up just now.
Yeah, because if the candle closes, like, if you look at your 1 hour candle right now, if it closes like right now, like this, then there's a possibility that's gonna go back, everything, up. Even though, let me see. Yeah.
Ooh, look at that big shoot, that spike.
Yeah, see, it's like a buy now, and even on SP 500. See it, yeah.
No, I would not buy this.
No, of course, but like after we see a sign,
Yeah.
if it does reverse.
My computer's going crazy. That was the liquidity grab. That was the market moving up to get liquidity to then move down. Why is this not working? Look at that shit, dude. Did I not draw exactly where that shit was gonna go to? Like, to the mark? Look at this.
Yeah, let me see that 5-minute chart.
Look. I drew that shit directly to it.
How bad it is if you do it on here?
What do you mean? What do you mean? Say it in Spanish, because that didn't make sense.
Like, por ejemplo, para poner lo gráfico aquí en Discord. Y go hablo antes.
Oh, como, here.
Yeah, porque yo creo que es mejor, porque cuando yo pongo
eso?
en YouTube, ajá, sí, eso es bien mejor.
Sí.
Para que nosotros podamos ver así lo mismo tiempo, porque lo otro en YouTube está muy estático.
Ok, yo necesito comprar, like, yo no sé, algo que hace mi internet like, más rápido o cualquier, yo no sé, porque es usando mucho de mi computadora en mi internet, like, todo. Porque yo pongo a la YouTube aquí, yo usa voice, yo estoy jugando música, todo.
Sí.
So it's pero sí. Es más mejor como eso ahora.
Sí, esa es mejor.
Ok, sí.
Porque ahí podemos ver exactamente qué está pasando al mismo tiempo.
Sí.
Y todo eso.
Mira eso. Yo pongo ahí y mira, boom.
Ajá.
Y aquí también. Pero poner ahí. Pero
SPS.
pienso que va a ir aquí. Mira que es aquí. So necesita ir aquí. Yo pienso que vas a ir aquí y hold on. Mira aquí.
Yeah, that's the website that I was looking at.
Yeah, this is a good one. So at 435, I think like this is gonna keep moving, and around 435, we'll have like a late aftermarket, just like either push or drop back down. But this is where it's gonna go down to. Like it's either gonna break this or it's gonna bounce off this. The thing is we've already hit this once, twice. See what I'm saying? So what's probably gonna happen is it's probably gonna go deep into it, like take this all out. All of these shorts are gonna exit. There's gonna be no more sellers left in the market, and it's gonna push down to like, holy shit. Wow, this is the lowest it's been in a long time. Yeah, so we'll probably this whole area here. That's what's gonna happen.
Oh, you're in the day candle right now.
Yeah, just for a minute. I'm checking something out real quick.
Yeah, I think it might follow through and go down to like to the 4160 range. Yeah. Yeah. Because it's just gonna try to retrace backwards the same thing because it went up too much. It wasn't a bull run, on with prior to the downtrend.
Mm-hmm.
And if it keeps breaking and there's no much volume, push it up, you know, then it might keep retracing.
This is my level that I'm calling it right here.
Let me see. Yeah.
Down here's where we're gonna go. So look, this is gonna be where we either hit here and we come back down, or we could come all the way up to here at the very highest and come back down. But I'm very sure that we're gonna be ending very low today. Yeah, it looks like majority of the liquidity is right up in this area. So that's where it's going to go. That's where the seller's liquidity is.
Yeah, you see that? It picked up. It broke that range.
Mm-hmm.
Man, sometimes this shit's overwhelming, bro.
Oh, yeah, man. It's a lot. It really is. We can get rid of that. Get rid of that. Actually.
Then watch. It's gonna take a little breather back into that area right below on the 120, no, 1 2 on the 40s, right at the top of that.
It's gonna.
Yeah, you see, it's gonna take a sell and gonna hit a little bit at the top of the wall of that a white box that you made, and then it's gonna go up. If it's gonna, you know, if it's gonna reverse and go, you know, on bull. So that's the that you have right now. That's the volume of buys and sells right now.
Yes.
Mm. Yeah, like right there, there's more sellers than buyers. So that shit has to bring it down.
Yeah. That's exactly what's gonna happen. But the thing is it has to go somewhere. It can only go where there's a lot of buyers. Now, once the market is bearish, And it's basically, think of the market like a bus. And
Yeah.
it's going to different bus stops, and the prices are different stops, right? And if it goes to a certain price, and when it gets there, everybody that gets on the bus is a seller, then where do the sellers want to go? They want to go to the wholesalers, which is where the price is lower. Because then they have to
Yeah.
go to the wholesalers. If you're a seller, you have to go to the wholesalers and you have to buy the price for lower, and then you go back to your buyers and you resell it, and that's how selling works. And buyers, same thing. If it gets to a price, and when the bus fills up, it's all buyers. Well, they're gonna want to go to a place where all the sellers are. So they're gonna want to go to a higher price.
Yeah.
So look, boom, it grabbed that liquidity right there.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it exited and then grabbed there. Then the sellers opened to their stop losses.
Yeah, because the stop loss will be right there, literally.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, because everyone sold right there around the 14,620. No, not 14,620. So a little bit below that, like 14,6. Let's say 6,808.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
then everything went up and then broke that, and now I guess you have to think more as in, if whenever you placing a trade, best bet that the market's gonna go back to that line where you put it your stop loss to grab liquidity, and then
Exactly.
brings
The
down.
market move exactly, bro. The market move liquidity is a magnet. The market goes to where the liquidity is. And like right now there's not a lot of liquidity down here, so the market is probably going to have trouble. Like these sellers, they might not get to exit. They might get stopped out because the sellers there wasn't enough sellers to get to a place. Like there's no liquidity down here. So like people that are selling, there needs to be some liquidity stacked up. The liquidity that I think is all the way down here, which means to get down there, we're going to need a lot of sellers. So it may need to punch up into here a few times, because all of this right here is sellers. So up here, it just punched into them and grabbed a lot. So we'll see. We'll see. On the NQ, it seems like there's all the sellers are up there still. But I'm pretty sure we're going to come way down. It's just a matter of, do we need to come up a few more times before we go down?
Yeah.
Like I wouldn't mind
Because it
seeing
has
this.
to touch that.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing this come up one more time and then I wouldn't mind getting short over here, or if this breaks below this, getting short in the retracement. So like if this comes down, breaks this, I would let it push back up to like here, and then I would get into the retracement for down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go shortly. I have to start getting ready for therapy. I have a long day of it today. Fucking sucks.
No worries, bro. Hope everything goes good for you.
Oh yeah, it's all gravy, baby. But just I'm gonna be there from 10 until 4. Fuck, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. Then I'm off from 12 to 1:30, then 1:30 to 2:30. 3 to 4. Jesus fucking
Dang.
Christ.
So you're just structuring now your what do you call again? I guess the way your movements and stuff like that.
Yeah. I mean, my legs don't work. They are paralyzed. But I have like a lot of core strength and a lot of like lower abs and hips that still work. So I'm able to use like my upper body, and I'm able to use crutches, and I'm able to like swing my legs through if I like wear these braces that basically lock my legs out, kind of like Forrest Gump. And then I just and I swing my legs through using like basically doing like a dip and swing. Can you picture that kind of?
Yeah. So you're using more your
upper body
your
to take the weight off my
upper
legs,
body to move.
and then using my like lower
Yeah.
hip flexors and abdominals to kind of swing my leg forward and then drop the weight back down on it because I have the stiff leg braces. So my leg, basically my legs are like wooden planks. It's like if I was like on, you know.
Yeah, if your legs feels like it's ultra light and you can't hold yourself, right? Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get you.
Look at how this may actually, look at this. We may see a bounce right there. Right here off this if you want. And that's that push back up, possibly. And then down, maybe. Thing is we could spend all morning balancing this out. You know? Like the whole thing, this moved in just a couple minutes, and we could spend the whole morning up until lunch, which is, it's getting ready for lunch. So honestly, what I would think is if we're gonna hit lunch, maybe the lunch macro will run its course and it'll get up to here where the liquidity is, and then when everyone gets back from lunch, the later half of the day, we're gonna push down.
Yeah.
I just realized.
Because there's so
I just
much
realized
sellers right there.
You guys haven't been hearing anything I've been saying.
Nope.
What?
Yeah, you guys haven't heard a damn thing I've said the whole time.
Nope.
No, it's like very low, your volume, bro.
Is that better?
Now it is, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. I've been talking the whole time. I've been like, hey.
Oh, man, we didn't hear anything.
I know, I've been muted the whole time. But yeah.
What did you say?
I took a short at the earlier, and I was like, oh, I'm in a short right now. I think it's gonna go back down, blah blah blah. But anyways, oh god,
What?
nothing. That's fine.
I wouldn't be shorting it
Yeah,
right here.
no, I shorted up that previous high.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I'll take it for like 900. Got out.
Have you passed your test yet?
Yeah, dude.
Okay, thank God. Sorry.
Which one?
I don't know. I'm just making sure you're like in the money, or at least getting there.
Yeah, yesterday dropped me down quite a bit. I hit my daily loss limit.
Really? That's not. You can't be doing that, man.
Huh?
Can't be doing that, man.
Well, that's why I have a daily loss.
Well, if you have a daily loss limit, doesn't it blow your account?
No. No, you can set it on Trade-Evade.
Oh, you made your own. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. It just keeps me from overtrading and chasing losses.
Yeah, you just set that in yourself. Yeah, good. Okay. I didn't know if it was like,
Yeah.
You know what I mean.
No. No, I set it for 1% of equity.
Look at that. Same bullshit is going up. Exactly how we were saying. Wow, look at that. Well, quick question: If you're um if you're trading on a 1 hour candle, right? What? No, actually, which candle you think is more wisely go ahead and trade on more, like the 5 minutes to a quick execution, or a 1 hour candle? I don't know.
I don't use the 1 hours. I only do them to like draw out places and stuff.
Mm.
But I don't trade on them.
Oh, okay. You just trade like breakouts and more of a higher volume, quick to grab and buy like that, right?
Yeah, I mean, I do day trading. Like hourly chart is more swing trading. You can't really like you're not really you should be like if you're trading on the hourly chart you should be trade like you're holding trades for a long time. I don't
Yeah.
I do just the intraday trading.
Okay.
Personally, I like the 3 minute, but I also I trend trade. That's what I've been doing lately.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm not really fun. I don't trade on the 5 minutes like that. I usually trade on the 1 hour candle. So I try to go ahead and find like breakouts and where it's gonna go, what point it's gonna go. So I place my trade right there and just wait to try to grab like at least like between 300 or 500 points, you know? But yeah, but sometimes it takes a turn. So I start changing my strategy a little bit to try to at least to grab like between 150 points to 200 because that's how much it will move in a good either
Are you
sell
talking
or
about
a
points
buy,
or dollars?
volume.
You're talking about ticks, like
Yeah, ticks. I never got into into saying ticks like that.
no, you're good.
But
So,
yeah,
but damn, I mean that's a lot. I mean, 100 ticks is a lot. But if you're trading on the hourly, then that makes more sense.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because before, when I do successfully on my trades, I capture between 350 to 600 points. You know, and yeah, but lately, it's been hard a bit. So I figured I know for sure that I'll get a guarantee between 150 to 200 points. Uh, Whenever the volume either go up or down. If you either bull or in a breakout.
Yeah.
If I guess make lots higher and just trade on the 5 minutes because it looks more clear and an easy way of going on the 5 minutes.
What you do is you look at your hour like you've been doing, and you go, okay.
Yeah, you see that? Like,
You
for
go,
example, when
okay,
I look
look.
at that, right?
Here's your
So
hour.
right now, yeah.
I would have like down here would have been a good buy, because it's right in this range right in here. This 50% of this wick. You got that would have been a good buy based off looking at the hour chart, and then with a stop loss down here. But that you would have very low amount of lots because that's already that's like 10, that's $10 difference. So that's 40
Yeah,
pips. 40
that's
pips.
what I try to do, but sometimes I get it in the wrong position.
But here, I mean, look at what we've got here now. We've got like, this is pretty solid setup. Like you've got this area. This is an order like all of these. Anywhere that it goes up here, I'd be looking for this thing to be going down like almost no matter
I
what.
feel like it's gonna go down, bro.
There's like no way. There's so much. Yeah.
Yeah, there's no money, and also it tried to surpass the first one, the first candle. It didn't. It went to the second. It declined on that price level of prior. Then it tried to go again. It declined a little bit, going down. So what pressure of buy is gonna make that shit go all the way up?
Yeah.
Or am I wrong? I don't know.
No, you're right. Sorry, I said yeah. My bad. You're onto the right track. Like that's, what you're saying is right. Like I get it.
Yeah.